Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is very interesting. That is called Google Form. As you know, if you are engineer, if you are trainer, and you having total more than 50 employees or more than 20, right? So if you are the trainer and you are providing different type of training to them, right? And after end of the session, you want to take a test from them whether they have understood or not. So which option you will choose? If you have some questions, then you will take print out and send it to them, right? And they have to, after complete, they have to come with you for submission. So maybe it will take time for checking, for maintaining the papers, for printing. Lot of activities are there in between, right? But if you are going to use Google Form, it will be very fantastic and very interesting, and you can save your time. Google Form, you can maintain your questions there. Whatever question you have, you can maintain over there, and from Google Form, you can submit to everybody. So just let's see in system, then you can come to know whether how it can be used for all functions. Right? Let's start. Forms. When you will search any questions from Google's, so sometimes that Google will show you like optional type questions, that is called multiple. It means question and options will be there. When you will click over there, then automatic it will submit, right? The same things you can do from your system. Okay, so just see, just click here. I have total 2 mails. I will select Ashish 051791, then click here and you have to find out form. See, there is no form, so you can select here more from Google, right? Click here and see form. This is a form, right? Just open it. It will be open like that. Now you can prepare your questions. See, already I mentioned there general knowledge GK 2020, mock practice test topics, current affair quiz. The first question is, you can edit, right? Okay. MP Virendra Kumar passed away at the age of 83 due to cardiac arrest in Kozhikode, Kerala. He was a famous singer, politician, actor, cricketer, right? So I have given total 4 options. If you have more option, then you can click here add option and you can, right? If you don't want, then no need. Name the first cricket to score 1000 runs in an innings and any competitive match. 4 questions. Right now I'm going to give 4 questions, right? Okay. And the other option is there. C. First, add questions. It means if you want to add more question, you can click here. Then you can be continue. If you don't want, just delete here. Import questions. Import, that means if you have some question in Word file, PDF file, you want to take from there, then you can import, right? Title you can add. Add image. If you want to add here any image, like if you have instructions, so you can browse from here, like see that image I have taken from my browser, so you can attach like that. Then video, if you want to add any video, you can. Okay, now I'm going to send that question to other person. It means who are the going to participate. So just click here send, right? See, send via email. Okay, just put here email address, and I have invited you to fill in form, okay, including form emails. Collect email address also, right? And just send it. I will send. It is already send. I need to open my other mail ID. Gmail. See, I have received one mail. Me general knowledge GK 2020 mock practice test topics current affair. Just click here. See. First, I am going to fill all questions. Which state launched a project that aims to provide free internet access to the poor in the state? Right. Option A Sikkim, option B Kerala, option C Karnataka, option D Assam. I think B option is the correct. I will click here. Okay. Then second, name the first cricketer to score 1,000 runs in an innings in any competitive match. Having total 4 options: Prithvi Shaw, Pranav, Danwade, Virat Kohli, Shikhar Dhawan. I think answer B is the right answer. Question 3. According to international standard, what is the distance of marathon race? 26 miles 385 yards, 26 miles, 36 miles 500 yards, 22 miles. I think option A is the right answer. 26 miles 385 yards. Then for who is said to be the father of Indian space program? Abdul Kalam, Rakesh Sharma, Vikram Sarabhai, and Homi Bhabha. So I think option C is the right answer, and I have clicked C. Okay. If you want to change, you can. Now everything is possible with fourth ending. Okay. Right now I feel everything, and what I have to do, just submit. So click here, submit. Okay. Your email address is required. So I have mentioned my email ID, right? Email address, and just submit. Send me a copy of my response. It means these questions I am going to send, and if I need any copies of that is called receive. Then I click here, send me a copy of my response, and just submit. See, thanks for submitting your contact information. It is already submitted. Now see, response. Already one response has received, right? It was the question, and now it is response. So just click here. See. Okay. Response. Who has responded? Ashish Patel. If you will add more person, that means all list will be there. Okay. So response first. Sikkim. See, 100% okay. It means that first question is okay, 100% done. Second also okay. Third also okay. After getting response, you can see 3 types. It is summary, question, and the user. Summary, it means you will receive like this. Question, it means only question, that option will be there. Individual that all papers you can see. How it was? I hope that everybody enjoyed and everybody understood properly, and I hope it will be very helpful for you. And also do one thing, do one favor. If you know everything, then please forward to your friends, your colleagues who doesn't know about this function, so that everybody can aware. Okay. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, comments.